Spring is here, the season when you audit your machinery fleet to see if you should sell older units to replace them with new ones. Here are 8 of Equipment Trader's key signs it's time to sell your equipment. 1. Breakdowns and repairs are going up, and your costs are becoming greater than your profits. 2. The equipment has entered old age. You can project that costs begin to exceed the equipment's value between years 7 and 10. 3. The engine has been run a lot. Many people choose to sell before the engine hits 10,000 to 12,000 hours. 4. The machinery guzzles gas, while a newer fuel-efficient model could save you a lot of money. 5. Your needs aren't being met because the equipment's abilities have declined or your needs have changed. 6. The equipment isn't being used and you don't have any upcoming work for it. 7. The machinery still has resale value. Be sure to sell while you can still get something for it. 8. The equipment has become obsolete, and it just makes sense to sell and replace with new machinery that gets the job done faster, more safely, and more efficiently. For more signs it's time to sell and other spring tips and tricks, visit our blog at equipmenttrader.com/blog/springtips.